Dakar Rally is one of the most excruciating motor rallies in the world, with thousands of kilometers to be covered in good time. Without the technical team being present physically, Dakar shouts danger on the face of the races. But what fun is a rally without some adventure? Well, let's find out interesting stuff about the Dakar Rally, and what better than to start with a short trivia. Here is a short trivia on some interesting facts about Dakar Rally. The Dakar Rally is almost as long as an entire World Rally Championship season. The Dakar Rally is a rally raid event, which implies it is a multi-day long distance event. And at 9,300 kilometers at present, the Dakar is the granddaddy of all rally raid events. The support trucks are both competitors and service vehicles. Support vehicles provide crucial equipment that can be used if the top runners are involved in an accident or have a technical problem. These support trucks are enormous and they can cover the terrain just as effectively as automobiles, albeit at a much slower pace. However, they can compete in their truck class against other support vehicles. The rally only started because one man got randomly lost. Thierry Sabine, a French motorbike racer, competed in the 1977 Abidjan-Nice rally when he lost his way. Realizing that navigating the remote dunes of a desert posed quite a challenge, he organized the inaugural event that left Paris in December 1978. It gets its name from the capital of Senegal, the original destination. The Dakar will always be associated with the color pink. The finish line in Dakar used to be at La Crosse, which is 30 kilometers north of Dakar and is named for the lake's distinctive pink color. Salina, a rare type of algae, is to blame. The lake is so beautiful that it can be seen from the space, and just seeing it after 2 weeks of intense mental and physical torture has prompted even fully grown motorcyclists to cry spontaneously in the past. The drivers don't have time to stop. Some drivers are uncomfortable with the idea of spending the entire day in the automobile. Some parts necessitate a 12-hour drive, and well, nature has a way of knocking on the door. As a result, some of the drivers wear bags in their race suits to allow them to pass urine while speeding over rivers and stones at 60 mph. It's just one of the many sacrifices made in the interest of finishing the Dakar Rally and, of course, trying to win it. The time the Prime Minister's son got lost. Mark Thatcher, the son of Margaret Thatcher, the then UK Prime Minister, joined up for the event and promptly got lost in the desert for 4 days. The Prime Minister summoned a few other chief of states and he was miraculously located. What went wrong exactly? But they became lost. Someone told them they had been sighted 10 kilometers in one cardinal direction when it was 10 kilometers in the opposite direction. Bathroom breaks. It's a fact of life and affects everyone. But when faced with hours on a rally bike while trying to maintain the highest average speed through a featureless desert, using a nice, clean, well appointed bathroom is not always possible. The choice of how to handle this issue ultimately comes down to the rider, and each one will approach it differently.